world driven by instant gratification, where everyone desires immediate results, there exists a power waiting to be unlocked, a power that can manifest your deepest desires with astonishing speed. Welcome to a video that will unveil the secrets of instant manifestation and revolutionize the way you perceive the possibilities that lie within your reach. Imagine a life where your dreams materialize before your very eyes, where your wishes become your reality in mere moments. Is it possible? Can we truly manifest our desires with incredible speed in today's fast-paced world? The answer, my friends, lies in the extraordinary phenomenon of instant manifestation. The pursuit of instant gratification has become the norm in our society. We want everything right now: an overflowing bank account, a dream career, unwavering confidence, and boundless love. But what if I told you that this desire for instant results is not just a trend or a passing whim, but a powerful force within us, waiting to be awakened? In this captivating video, we will delve deep into the secrets behind instant manifestation and show you how to harness this formidable power within you. Get ready to embark on a journey that will challenge your beliefs, expand your horizons, and unlock the keys to manifesting your desires at unprecedented speed. But here's the catch, my friends. The secrets we are about to reveal require your undivided attention. Throughout this video, you will discover proven techniques, mind-bending insights, and practical exercises that will propel you towards instant manifestation. So I urge you to stay tuned till the very end, because missing even a single step might mean missing out on the life-changing breakthrough you've been waiting for. Before we dive into the depths of instant manifestation, I cordially invite you to be a part of our growing community. By clicking that likes button and subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to exclusive content that will empower you on your manifestation journey. Let us begin. At its core, manifestation or creation of something is an ongoing process that requires us to be in alignment with our true selves and our higher power. Our subconscious mind plays a vital role in this process. It acts as an ally that helps us attract and shape the reality we desire. To tap into this powerful inner force, we must create deep impressions using visualization techniques, such as those taught by Neville Goddard. The concept behind these techniques is simple. By focusing on our specific desires and goals through belief alignment, emotional connection, positivity, etc., deep impressions form in our subconscious, which unlock the potential to create a desired world. This means that if we want something badly enough, whether it be money or a relationship, then visualizing what it would feel like when we have it will help us manifest those desires faster. I personally experienced this technique's effectiveness when I needed rent money, although I was skeptical at first. Meditating for 15 minutes created noticeable effects the next morning. Through my experience, I now understand why many people swear by these techniques. They are extremely powerful tools for unlocking greater potential within ourselves, for creating positive change in our lives quickly and efficiently. The key to successful manifestation is entering a positive state of mind. When feeling doubts or negativity, it's important to become aware and correct thinking by redirecting focus back to positive intentions. Visualization is a great tool for staying focused on goals and avoiding negative thoughts or distractions that could hinder manifestation success. Bedtime is an excellent time for manifesting, as the subconscious mind is highly receptive during sleep. To manifest before going to bed, find a peaceful space, take deep breaths, and reflect on the positives of the day. Express gratitude for what has been experienced. Then clearly define desires in detail and immerse yourself in the feeling that these desires already exist. Regular practice of this technique taps into the subconscious power to bring desires into fruition with consistency and belief in the process. Visualizing living in the end during these moments provides powerful manifestation energy, bringing desired outcomes closer to reality when practiced regularly with strong belief. By comprehending and harnessing these universal laws, we can experience positive transformations in our lives. Here are some tips for successful manifestation using this method. First and foremost, it is crucial to take the time to define your goals before proceeding. Having clear thoughts and a thorough understanding of your desired goals establishes a strong foundation for successful manifestation. Additionally, maintain unwavering faith in yourself and the universal laws of attraction. This will help you stay positive and open to receiving the desired manifestations. Celebrating small victories is also crucial. Expressing gratitude strengthens our connection with abundance from the universe, propelling us forward on our journey. Lastly, before going to bed each night, practice mindfulness and keep negative or limiting beliefs at bay. This will allow you to approach the pursuit of your manifestable goals with a clear mind each morning. By implementing these tips for successful manifestation using the Neville Goddard technique, we can unlock our tremendous potential. Dedication and self-belief, combined with our manifestable goals, empower us to utilize this powerful method and create positive change. It is essential to address any negative thoughts or feelings before going to bed to achieve success. Our subconscious mind remains active during sleep, and the ideas we carry can significantly influence our experiences. By spending time dealing with and removing any negative ideas or feelings before bed, we can ensure maintaining equilibrium with the good energy important for successful manifestations. Having faith in the process while enjoying the experience of manifesting will give you greater chances of achieving your desired goals. This means keeping an open mind regarding how your wishes may come true. Often they appear differently than expected. As long as you keep an open heart and trust Neville Goddard's technique before bedtime every night, success should come easily. And there you have it, my friends. The astonishing secrets of instant manifestation have been revealed. We have embarked on a journey to challenge the limits of what we thought was possible, and we have discovered a power within ourselves waiting to be awakened. I hope this video has expanded your horizons and shifted your perception of what can be achieved in today's fast-paced world. Remember, instant manifestation is not just a passing trend, but a powerful force that can transform your life. But here's the crucial part, my friends. In order to fully harness this incredible power, it requires your dedication and commitment. Throughout this video, you have been exposed to proven techniques, mind-bending insights, and practical exercises that will propel you towards manifesting your desires at an unprecedented speed. Now I urge you to take what you have learned and put it into action. Remember, manifestation requires consistency and belief in the process. As you continue on your journey, celebrate each small victory, express gratitude, and keep a positive mindset. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and experiences with instant manifestation. Your insights will inspire others and create a supportive community where together we can manifest our dreams. Thank you once again for watching and joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, may the power of instant manifestation guide you towards a life filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. God bless you.